In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add a drop shadow in Canva. So the first thing that you want to do is log into your Canva account. Now, once you've logged in, you will either end up in the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Now, regardless of where you are, you need to locate the left-hand column and click on projects. Now, once you've clicked on projects, you'll have all of your active projects presented. Now, what you need to do next is select the specific project that you would like to add a drop shadow in and click it once you see it. Once you've clicked on that specific project, you will see it opened in the Canva editing page. So when adding a drop shadow in Canva, you're able to do this for a variety of elements, from text to images to elements themselves. So what you need to do is, we'll start with text. So if you want to add this for text, click on the specific text element on your page that you'd like to add this for, and you'll see a purple text outline appear. Next, you want to navigate over to the top row of actions and you want to click on effects. Now, once you've clicked on effects, on your left hand column, you will see an effects menu expand with a variety of effects. So at the time of this recording, the very first option is drop. So you click on drop, and now you can customize these as you wish using the sliders. So the first is direction. You can choose the direction of the drop, and after that you can also slide to decide on the offset of the shadow, how far from your actual text it will be, and below that is the blur. So you can decide how blurry you would like your shadow to be, and below blur you can decide on how transparent you would like the shadow to be. And lastly, you can also select the color of the drop, so you can even have a bright colored drop instead of the traditional shadow. So once you've added that, your text now should have a drop shadow. And to do the same thing for images, simply click on the specific image that you'd like to add the drop for. Locate the top row of options that appears and click on edit. Once you've clicked on edit, an edit image window will appear on the left hand side of your screen, and you just want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, a section called shadows. Now when you're here, click on see all, and there are different options that you can add. We are looking for drop, and when you click on drop, similarly to the other configurations, you can use sliders, or like with the others, you can manually enter a unit that you would like to use. So we can decide on the blur amount as well as the angle, as well as an angle of the actual drop shadow, as well as the distance, how far up or down we want to have it. And then we can also decide, just like with the last one, the color that we would like to use. So let's say we're going to make it a almost pink maroon sort of color. And you can also decide on the intensity of the drop shadow. So once you're happy with all of your settings, you can just click out, and that is how you add a drop shadow in Canva for text and for images. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions or if you had any issues along the way, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And thank you for watching this video.